Hi everyone, welcome to English Yes channel. In this video, we are going to talk about a short vowel sound E. As in the word in, you can also hear the sound in the words pin, sin, skin, or thin. This sound is presented by this symbol. Let's find out how to make the sound. To pronounce E sound, you should focus the right position of your tongue. Open your mouth slightly. Spread your lips and relax them. Place the front part of your tongue high in the mouth. Your tongue should be relatively relaxed. Let's try to say it. E. E. Now, let's practice this sound with some words. Kid, pin, chip, drink, 6, fit, hit, kid, lit, pit, give, build, busy, limit, bit, sink, finish, kitchen, specific, kid, still, this, kid, win, sister, listen, since, middle, visit. I hope this video is useful. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.